Push back into the band while locking your knee out, and make sure that your butt does not push back by squeezing your glutes and holding while you push the band backwards. Stand on one leg with the other leg holding a ball up against a wall, and then slowly squat down and back while pushing your knee outward the whole time. As you squat down, try not to let your shoulders shift away from the wall and try not to let your hips shift towards the wall. Lay on your back with your heels resting on a bench, box, or chair, and your knees bent to about 45 degrees as shown. Then contract your abdominals as if you're about to get punched in the stomach and contract your glutes as well, and then dig one heel down into the bench, contracting your glutes and hamstrings, and perform for the goal repetitions. Ideally, you should feel the hamstrings and glutes working and not feel tension or pain in your lower back as you do this. Stand on a slant board with your feet in a position that is comfortable for you, and if you don't have access to this, you could use folded towels, weight plates, or dumbbells under your heels, and hold a weighted object like a dumbbell close to your chest with your elbows tucked into your sides. Slowly drop down into a squat and go as low as you can comfortably before standing back up. Decrease the difficulty by not squatting as deep or decreasing the weight, even using body weight if you need to. Increase the difficulty by squatting lower or using a heavier weight. Stand with your hands against a wall or other stable surface, and the front half or ball of your foot up on a step with your heel hanging off. Raise up onto your toes, lifting your heel up, and focus on putting most of the pressure on the ball of the foot near the big toe. And on each rep, when you reach the top position, focus on trying to get a little bit higher on each rep to maximize the contraction of the calves. Slowly lower down with the tempo listed and make sure that you get a complete stretch at the bottom of each rep.